We're on the northeast side of this storm, so you can see behind me heavy winds, heavy rain, and big waves right in this marina behind us. A lot of boats are tied up here, and they will be until this storm passes. Wind gusts are steady on the Cape. Red flags mean small craft advisories in effect, and boats are tied up tight in Sandwich Marina. Nick Giordano is harbor master.
I don't think it's going to be a boating weekend.
Instead of beach time, we found many enjoying an indoor lunch at Fisherman's View. Vicki Chung and Burnley Truax are riding bikes from Hartford, Connecticut to Wellfleet over the next few days. Plastic booties are not stopping all this rain, and they admit the couple did not prepare for a nor'easter on this ride.
We thought summertime, and we thought we would beat like the rush of, Memorial Day. So I have two t-shirts in my bag. I have two tank tops in my bag.
Back on the water, there is very little activity on the northeast side of the storm. Most slips full with boats tied down. But by contrast, look to the southwest in Falmouth Harbor. Flat calm earlier this afternoon as it sheltered from the high winds. Still, the storm is making it difficult for many trying to enjoy the water this Memorial Day weekend, especially if you're trying to get to the islands by ferry. Be sure to check for delays and cancellations.
No, not an ideal Memorial Day weekend, that's for sure. Hope the weather can break on Sunday for some of our boaters, but marine forecast is looking pretty rough the next few days.
And I'm still thinking about those poor bikers. They were soaked here in Sandwich. I don't know what they're going to be like by the time they get to Wellfleet later on. Now, this weekend is also Fagawi weekend, so there's a lot of people sailing from Boston and the South Shore to Nantucket. Many of them now stopped over here in Sandwich until this storm finally passes. We're live in Sandwich. I'm Ted Wayman, WCVB News Center 5.